What if you could record your entire day from your own perspective without holding a camera, carrying a bulky action cam, or wearing a complicated setup? Today, we're checking out a surprisingly small gadget that clips directly onto your glasses and records everything you see in full HD. This is the Wearable Mini Pocket Camera, a lightweight 1080p recording device designed for daily life, outdoor adventures, lectures, travel, and hands-free video recording. But is this tiny camera actually useful, or is it just another gimmick? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. On this channel, we explore the latest gadgets, smart devices, cameras, innovative technology, and products that can make life easier and more exciting. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's take a closer look at this wearable mini camera. The first thing you'll notice is its incredibly compact size. Unlike traditional action cameras or body cameras, this device is designed to attach directly to the temple arm of your glasses. Once attached, it becomes almost unnoticeable. Its ultra-lightweight design means you can wear it comfortably for extended periods without feeling extra weight on your face. The manufacturer claims compatibility with around 90% of eyeglass frames, making installation quick and simple. This creates a true first-person perspective recording experience. Instead of holding a camera, you simply wear your glasses and let the camera capture exactly what you're seeing. This type of camera can be useful for many situations. For example, travel vloggers wanting hands-free footage, fishing enthusiasts documenting catches, students recording lectures, DIY creators filming projects, cooking demonstrations, cycling and outdoor adventures, family gatherings and special events, and anyone who wants a lightweight alternative to larger action cameras. The hands-free experience is one of its biggest advantages. Now let's talk about video recording quality. The camera records in full HD 1080p resolution. While it doesn't offer 4K like some premium cameras, 1080p remains more than adequate for most everyday recording situations. Footage is generally clear enough for walking tours, travel videos, outdoor activities, personal documentation, educational recordings, and casual content creation. The first-person viewpoint creates an immersive experience that viewers often enjoy because they're seeing exactly what the wearer sees. This little camera isn't limited to video. It also supports photo capture and audio recording. That means you can switch between taking photos and recording videos depending on your needs. Having audio recording built in adds extra value, especially for meetings, lectures, interviews, or documenting important moments. For such a small device, it's impressive to see multiple recording functions packed into one compact package. One feature that separates this camera from many basic wearable cameras is the built-in display. It includes a 0.96-inch HD color LCD screen. While small, the screen is useful for checking settings, viewing recording status, previewing content, reviewing videos directly on the device. This means you don't always need a computer just to verify whether your footage was recorded successfully. That's a convenience many users will appreciate. Another useful feature is on-device playback. You can review recorded videos directly from the camera itself. This makes it easier to quickly verify important recordings while you're away from your computer. Keep in mind that video playback on the device itself may not include audio output, but visual playback remains available. For full playback functionality, transferring files to a computer or smartphone is recommended. The camera also supports OTG connectivity. Using a compatible OTG adapter, you can connect the camera or memory card directly to many smartphones. This allows you to transfer videos quickly, review recordings, share content on social media, back up important footage without needing a computer. For content creators and travelers, this can save a lot of time. Storage is expandable through a microSD memory card. The camera supports cards up to 128 gigabytes. This provides plenty of space for recording hours of full HD footage. Instead of being limited by built-in storage, users can simply swap memory cards whenever needed. That's especially useful for longer trips or extended recording sessions. Battery life is another important factor. Inside the camera is a built-in high-polymer rechargeable battery. A full charge provides approximately 3 to 4 hours of continuous recording. For a camera this small and lightweight, that's quite reasonable. For casual daily use, lectures, travel segments, or outdoor activities, this battery performance should be sufficient. However, users planning all-day recording sessions may want access to a power bank between uses. The camera also supports loop recording. This feature automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage becomes full. That means continuous recording can continue without manually deleting files. This is especially useful for users who want ongoing documentation or surveillance-style recording. What makes this wearable camera interesting is its simplicity. No chest mount, no helmet mount, no bulky equipment, no holding a camera in your hands. Simply attach it to your glasses and start recording. This natural point-of-view perspective often looks more realistic than footage captured from traditional action cameras. Let's summarize the strengths. Pros: lightweight and comfortable. True first-person recording angle. Full HD 1080p video. Photo and audio recording. Built-in color LCD screen. Direct video playback. OTG Smartphone Support. Expandable storage up to 128 gigabytes. Loop recording function. Easy installation on most glasses. Affordable wearable camera solution. A few limitations to consider. Cons: no 4K recording. Battery life limited to around 3 to 4 hours. Small display size. Performance depends on memory card quality. Not designed for extreme action sports. Overall, the Wearable Mini Pocket Camera offers a simple and affordable way to capture life from your own perspective. Its lightweight design, glasses-mounted recording, full HD video quality, expandable storage, built-in display, and smartphone compatibility make it an interesting option for travelers, students, outdoor enthusiasts, hobbyists, and content creators. If you've been looking for a hands-free recording solution without spending a fortune on expensive action cameras, this little gadget might be worth considering. So what do you think? Would you use this camera for travel, cycling, fishing, lectures, or everyday recording? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.